Are you looking for something that can help with blood pressure? Welcome to another video where we teach you how to make healthy drinks and food. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. So today we'll be learning how to make the ABC juice. The ABC juice is also known as the miracle juice. The properties in this juice helps with menstrual cycle, helps with high blood pressure, helps improve vision, and helps with indigestion, aids your digestion. So in this we'll be needing some apples, some beetroot, some carrots, and some lemon. Juicing this together, you can use your blender or you can use your juicer. If you have anyone, just go ahead and use them. Make sure you always wash your fruits properly before you start processing them, either blending or using a juicer. So I've added about 4 cups of water to this quantity. This is like 3 apples, 5 to 7 carrots, and 1 beetroot, big beetroot, and I'm using 1 lemon. All of this are blend together. Once it's done, you can sieve it or you can take it like that as a smoothie. You'll enjoy it also in that form, or if you want it as a juice, you can sieve it. Or if you're using a juicer, you don't need to sieve. You just need to put in your juicer, and then it helps you separate the fiber from the juice. So please go ahead and try this. Recommend this to your loved ones. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on any content. Once I post every Thursday, I'll be doing food content, drink content, some DIY here and there that will be useful to you or someone you know. Please go ahead and subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on notification, which is very important, so that when I post, you'll always be notified of the content, so you can go watch, learn something new. Please always drop a comment, always share your views so we can all learn together. If you've been using this juice, you've been drinking it, it's a very good one to add to your health. So please go ahead and try this. I would always come back to share good recipes with you every Thursday. Please watch out. Always remember to go to my YouTube page, subscribe, turn on notification, and I'll be glad you're part of this community. So this is me just saving the juice because I wanted it as a juice, not a smoothie. So just go ahead and sieve, bottle up, and then you'll be fine drinking this. Always make sure you have your juice either first thing in the morning, or you can have this as a meal replacement. This is your miracle juice, also known as the ABC juice. Please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting me on this journey. Remember to subscribe, drop a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.